Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 24th of March. Looking at yesterday's trading session, there was no actual data release, but there was a major news coming from New Zealand. We saw the New Zealand dollar lose more than 2% of its value yesterday, and with it dragging our own Aussie dollar for the ride. This was a result of the New Zealand government taking steps to dampen the housing market, from taxes on investors to restrictions on interest deduction and an increase in affordable housing. They are taking aggressive steps to dampen that market. They also doubled the minimum time which requires investors to hold onto property from 5 years to 10 years to avoid paying taxes. So this has taken an effect on the currency, dropping around about 150 pips against the US dollar yesterday. All right, time to have a look at our chart of the day. Incidentally, we did have a trade which involved the Kiwi dollar. We triggered short into the Australian and New Zealand pair. That news spoiled our trade, so we were stopped out for that yesterday. Not to worry, we continue and we look for the new opportunity. This morning I'm looking at the US CAD on a daily timescale. This particular pair is very much in trend coming down, and what I've noticed is that I've got an opportunity here to, well, one, I could look for trades here on a pullback to continue down, but when I notice that I have an opportunity to touch a triple touch here, it just strengthens the trade a little bit more. So I'm going to look for it in this region here. Let's see if the market can come up to that line, completing the triple touch, and then if I get the confirmation of reversal in the way of, say, like an inside candle, something along these lines, I'm just not drawing in that roughly, then that will be the trigger for me to become a seller. All right, so let's add this one to our hot list. It's the US CAD on a daily time scale. Let's see if we can trigger into this particular trade. All right, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We have this evening at 7:15 p.m. From Europe, we have the French Flash Services PMI number. Then at 7:30, 15 minutes later, also from Europe, it's the German Flash Manufacturing and the Flash Services PMI numbers due out. Look out for those, particularly any Euro traders or any cross-Euro pairs. And then the only other bit of significant, it's not data, but it's a significant point, happens at 1 o'clock in the morning after midnight from the US. Fed Chair Powell is due to speak. That pretty much wraps up the session for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.